still see it. So we ended up going pretty much to the top, and I can still see it. So that kind of tells you how this is tap water. This is out of your sink. You guys can look in there. You see that's still pretty clear. So that kind of tells you how cloudy the creek is.
Oh, I can still see it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Make sure we're gullible when you go
So that kind of tells you how clear the creek is, or not clear, compared to your tap water. Okay. So you guys have your we can just put these down.
Can I dump these out?
Yeah. If you guys want to go dump these out. You can take
Yeah, he's right there. Right by the rock.
Yeah. Okay, so you guys all have your sheets in here. You can write down our results.
It's in the first page.
Yeah, it's on the first page there.
It says turbidity. So we got
Yeah, we got 60, 63. I think 63, right?
where do we
Right here on the bottom of the page there.
Wait, was it 60 or 66?
63. And then I think we got 2 of them with 70, right?
What's tube 1?
We had 3 different tubes. It doesn't really matter which one. They're all 3.
63?
Yep, 63. And then I think we got 2 of them with 70. And that's centimeters.
for the tap water? We had
All the way to the top, which is, I can't quite tell on that one. I think it goes like, maybe like, is it on there? Okay, so we don't have to put the tap water, but that was just kind of comparison. So now we're going to move on to, you want to do dissolved oxygen? Okay. So, another part of the creek that we like to measure is dissolved oxygen. So everyone knows oxygen is in the air, it's what you breathe. But as well as in the air, there's oxygen in the water that the fish need to breathe. So it's really important that there is oxygen in the water, and so we can measure how much there is using our little tabs here. So we need someone to hold this.
Yeah.
And then someone else want to hold the tabs here. Yeah. Right, and then we need to get someone to get some water from the creek. Let's help me with that. Nope. Okay. We're gonna go down here.
Yeah, can you hold this?
It's right here. Well, he's here.
Five of them on there. No, you have 5.
So we're gonna take one of the tabs out of our little thing here. Take one of those out. You got it?
They cracked.
Okay, that's alright. We'll just open that. You guys need to put one of the tabs in the vial there.
There?
Yeah. Okay, that works. And then we're gonna fill it up with water. Or no, you can here use this to tip it.
Someone stop.
Yeah.
Stop. Okay.
Sorry, we're gonna add 2. I forgot.
A little bit much.
We're gonna add 2 to the tabs, so we need one more too.
One more.
Mm-hmm. There we go. Okay, put those guys in there. And then we're gonna put the cap on. And then you're gonna mix that up as good as you can.
Just shake it.
And then
Shake
tip it upside down, and you can kind of
Until you can see the
until
dissolved.
okay. So that's going to take a couple minutes before that dissolves.
can put that back.
And while we're doing that, we can do our other test here.
Roll pads.
So, let's get some more water. We can have someone else get the water who hasn't done anything yet.
Wait, yeah.
You
Julie
wanna
hasn't done
hold
anything.
this? Wanna hold it? Okay. So we can go get some water down from the creek here.
Here, wanna hold it?
Okay. Here, I'll take those pads. Alright, then you're gonna fill it up. You can look up there, and you're gonna fill it up to that line in the middle there. That's 10 milliliters of water. Be careful.
Oh, a little bit over.
Okay, that's good. That's alright. So put the cap back on.
Yeah. Chase it.
Shake it.
I think, okay, stop shaking that one, I think. So I'll just leave it. And then that one, so this one is going to take a while. It's going to take a couple of days for that one to get the results. So we are going to write your guys' name down, and then you guys, when you leave, you're going to take it with you, and then take it back to school.
Yay.
So you can see the results.
Not for you. This Not for you.
I want to look at it.
Yeah, you can take it. Alright, here, let me see that.
Still sticking to the bottom.
Yeah, it should stick to the bottom. So, alright, what group are you guys again?
Pink.
Pink salmon.
Pink? Okay.
This tastes
Alright, so I'm going to put this in here, and then your teacher's going to take that, and then you can see the results on Monday, I believe. So yeah, we'll take this, you guys can take that. That tells you, okay, so this is coliform bacteria. I gotta explain it. So, does anyone know where coliform bacteria comes from? No?
No.
Leaves?
Comes from poop.
Oh.
Comes from animals and people. So, it's a bacteria. It's not really harmful in small amounts. It's going to be in most creeks and lakes and whatnot, but you guys will see if it's in there or not. See, it'll turn either red or yellow. So it's just there from. You done? Okay. So you can do that in a second. So if there's we've got some cows over here, you got horses or pets or whatever that are doing their thing in the creek. So then there's bacteria in the water.
So if it's red, it's negative, and if it's yellow, it's positive.
Okay.
You can see.
I'll put that in there. And you guys okay, we're gonna look at this now.
Negative.
This is the difference. Alright, so this is how much dissolved oxygen there is. What would you guys say that is?
Four.
Between those?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's ppm, is parts per million. That's the way we measure dissolved oxygen. It's really, really small, but there's still, it makes a big difference depending on 0 and 8. This is about what we want for the creek. It's right between there, so that way the fish and animals can breathe. So on your sheets there, you can put in, on that first sheet still. Is it on there? Yeah, it's on there.
Here?
So, yeah, you would put 4 ppm.
This page. The first page.
Yeah, first page. Oh, we got
Okay, and
4
then after that
ppm right
we'll do the one that's next to it. But now we're gonna do temperature. So we're gonna get the temperature of the creek, see how cold it is. Okay, I need someone wanna help me out with this? Yeah. Here, you can put your stuff in.
That's why I want to read my sweater.
Okay, we're gonna take this one and then we need someone can just we're gonna take 2 different temperature samples here. We're gonna take one in the fast part of the creek and then the slow part.
How are we gonna get the? Oh, it's not. Yeah, you can.
So you're gonna try and just kind of toss it out there. You can send it here. Try to get it out there as far as you can. It's kind of hard, but very long. And then you can just take right there, the slower part. Keep it in there for a little bit. So what do you guys think? So these temperatures are going to be a little bit different. What do you think is going to be bigger or lower and higher? Which one's going to be colder? You think the faster? It's probably good. You see what you guys got? Say about 14? Yeah. 13, 14? How about that one? And that one's about like 16?
Yeah.
Okay. 14 or 16-ish. Alright, so we can write those down. This isn't, so we can go to
No, it's 14 and 16.
The fast one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I feel that we're gonna be good.
So we did it in Celsius.
14? Okay. So since we have 4 ppm for dissolved oxygen and we got 14 for temperature, we're going to have 39
Percent. That's the percent of the dissolved oxygen. That's how saturated. I don't know if you guys have heard the word saturated. That's how much of the percentage of water is saturated with oxygen. So that's how much oxygen there is. You can write that in there. Yeah, it goes right there.
That's all we need.
You guys got any questions? Just about the creek or the fish in general?
Oh, really?
Yeah. You all know a bunch?
Yeah.
You guys having fun?
Yeah.
Excited to be out here? Oh, good. More
No
fun than
homework
school.
today.
Yeah.
You guys had mass today, I heard.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. More fun to be outside.